My name is Barbara, and I'm 64 years old. I booked a consult with Dr. Talley for ways to improve my neck and my face. I met with him sometime in May and sat down, and he was very calming and very informative and very caring. The first thing he actually said to me was, "Well, you don't look 64 anyway." So he wasn't pushing anything. He was just going with the flow and letting me know my options. And with that, he told me how I could get rid of the neck and improve my facial lines and offered a few different procedures that might work. He showed us many pictures and photographs of before and after. And as I was looking at the photographs, I noticed that many of the women had a nose that was before that had a little bump in it, and a nose after that didn't have the bump, and the bottom of it was curved different. I realized that I have that same bump on my nose. So when I had asked him about that, he said that he could also do the nose along with the procedure for the neck, which the best way to go would be a facelift. So I was a little frightened, but I decided to just book the two things together, and that was it. So my husband was with me, and he looked at all the literature he had. He looked at all his pictures he had, and he was extremely impressed with almost all of the photographs. So we went home and discussed it, and my husband, recommended that I do it if I wanted to. So actually I came in on June 6th for the surgery, and as I was getting the anesthesia, I was just talking to everybody, and I was pretty calm. And I guess the next time I woke up, it was like a dream. I highly recommend Dr. Talley. He's, very informative. He's very calm. I was nervous, and he has a very calming effect. The results are unbelievable. My friends actually feel like I got something done, but they don't know what even. And until I show them the pictures of before and after, they didn't realize even I had a lump on my nose, which I did. So I'm in the third week now, and I would say there is really no pain with either procedure. It's just a matter of relaxing for a week and letting things heal. And then coming back, each week for a checkup. Again, I would highly recommend Dr. Talley, and if anyone wants to talk to me, they're welcome to.